I have the Sony 1000XM6 earbuds, and let me show you how to use the equalizer. Now, to use the equalizer, you need to have downloaded and set up the Sound Connect app on your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone. And then you simply need to go to device settings. Now, you could have the shortcut right here on the top page. In case you don't, you simply go to device settings, and then under device settings, you will see sound quality / volume. You tap on that, and that's where you'll find the equalizer. Now, you can see currently the equalizer is off, but of course I can use these arrows to switch between different equalizer settings. So we have heavy, which is a bit heavier on the bass. So if you want more bass, that's what you select. Then you have clear, which basically makes your voices, the voices in what you're listening to stand out clearly. Then you have hard. Basically, you need to be wearing your earbuds so you can listen to the difference between all these equalizer settings. And then of course you can always go to manual or custom and then tap on edit and customize your own equalizer settings. All right, so you can adjust different bands until you get the specific equalizer setting that you want, and then that's going to be custom one, and you can have up to 2 custom equalizer settings. All right, so that is basically how to use the equalizer on the XM6 headphones. Now, if you want to have that shortcut in the top of the page, you can enable that. If you don't want it, you can disable it. Now, once it's there, it means, or when that is on, it means you can access the equalizer from right here. Okay, so at any time, you can just come here and choose the different equalizer settings. And if you want to, you can turn off the equalizer. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.